In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Microsoft Forms in just 5 minutes. Whether you're transitioning documents from Word or PDFs into a more interactive format, or you're looking to streamline surveys, quizzes, or feedback forms, the process is incredibly straightforward. Let's dive in and take it step by step. To get started, head over to Microsoft Forms by navigating to forms.office.com. This is your central hub for all things related to form creation and management within Microsoft's suite of tools. When you arrive on the home page, look for the option labeled Quick Import. It's typically located prominently on the page, making it easy to find even for first-time users. This feature is your gateway to converting your existing documents into an interactive format. After selecting Quick Import, you'll be prompted with an option to upload from this device. This is where you can choose either a Word or PDF file that you have already stored on your computer. Simply click on this option and a file explorer will open, allowing you to browse through your files. Depending on whether you're working on a desktop or a laptop, navigation may vary slightly, but the goal here is to locate and select the document that you wish to import. Once you've located your file, double click or select it and hit open. Now that your file is uploaded, the next step involves deciding the context of your document. Microsoft Forms will ask you to specify whether your imported file is intended to be a form or a quiz. If your document is meant for collecting feedback or gathering information without any grading or scoring involved, you'll likely choose form. However, if it's intended as an assessment tool, select quiz. Now comes the review process. Once you've made that choice, Microsoft Forms handles the conversion and automatically creates a new form or quiz based on your uploaded document. This might take just a moment, and once it's done, you have the opportunity to review the content that's been imported. Go through each section to make sure everything transferred correctly and meets your expectations. This is the perfect time to make any necessary edits, add new questions, rearrange items, or simply ensure that the formatting looks good. Once you're satisfied with the review and any tweaks you've made, you're ready for the final step, sending it out. With Microsoft Forms, you can easily distribute the form or quiz by sharing a link, emailing it directly to participants, or even embedding it onto a web page. It's user-friendly and designed to make your distribution process as seamless as possible. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've turned a static document into a dynamic form or quiz on Microsoft Forms. This process is not only time efficient, but also incredibly versatile, catering to a variety of scenarios from business surveys to educational assessments. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your form creation process even smoother.